Struggling to find answers on Chegg without a subscription? You're in luck, because today I'm going to show the top 3 ways to unblur answers on Chegg for absolutely free. So stay tuned, because these tricks will save you money and time. So firstly, you want to find the question which you want unblurred, and this is the question I'm doing just for the example. And as you can see, if I even scroll down, you can see that it will be blurred. The problem has been solved, but you can't see where the answer is, as when you press see answer, it will ask you to pay, and we don't want to pay in today's video. So first, what you're going to want to do is open a new tab and then tab up Quizlet. This is the first way, so don't worry if this one doesn't work for you, but what you're going to want to do is then copy the question, and then when you copy the question, go back to Quizlet and then search it in the top, and then when you press enter, it will bring you to this page right here where you can see it's the 41st question. But this method is quite long, as you have to search through every question to find the answer, so I'm going to show you an even different way. So if you search up homeworkify.co.uk and then press enter, it will bring you to a different website. So just do that and then press enter, and then when you do that, you can copy the link and then you can paste it, and then you can press get answer. But for some people this doesn't work, so what you're going to want to do is copy the question like the other one before, and then if you press this and then press get answer, you can scroll down and it will say loading answer, and then when it's done, it will show you how the answer was got. And